Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anil, and in this Electron JS video tutorial we will learn that how we can communicate main and render process and how we can share the data between these two processes also. So these are the three main points. First of all, we will see what is IPC, then we will send the data from render to main process, and then we will do it's vice versa. That means we will send the data from main to render process. So first thing is what is main process and what is render process. So for that I just want to show you my main.js file. Here you can see that we did some Electron related works, like how we can import the Electron, and then we just create a window and we just make it ready, and we just got this window. So basically this is our main process, and in one Electron application we can have only one main process. And what is render process? So render process is basically the code that is related to JavaScript, HTML and CSS. You can say that basically a web related code is a render process, and in one Electron application we can have a lots of render process also. So now the question is, what is IPC? IPC simply means inter-process communication. As we are doing it, the communication between two processes, so for that we will use the IPC, right? And now let's see that how we can do it. First of all, we will just send the data from render to main process, and then we will send the data from main to render. So now let's jump on index.html file and just close this window also, and let's define a button here so that we can just send the data on this button click, and here we can just write here share data, and let's call a function on click. So just write here share data, and let's define this function inside a script tag, and here we can just make this share data function. Okay, just let me add the function keyword, and let's make a simple alert for a moment so that we can just check that everything is working fine. So just write here all set. Now let's start it. Alright, everything is working fine, all set. So now let's import the Electron here. So just write here const import something from not from require, and let's put here Electron, right? And just import here IPC renderer, right? And here just write here IPC renderer dot send, and it will send a data. It will be just get the two parameters. One is the event, let's say my event name is message, and second one the data I just want to send. So I just want to say that hello from render process, right? So that's good. Now how we can just receive this data? This code can send a data, but how we can receive? So now let's come on the main.js file, because here we want to write the code for here we will write the code for accept the data, right? And just write here IPC main, and just simply write here IPC main dot on, and my event name which is message, and it has the two parameters in a callback function in a second parameter. So just write here event and data or something, whatever you want to write, and just write here console.warn or console.log. Just write here data, and this will be a arrow function. Now let's run it again, and whenever I will click on it, then you can just see that we are getting the data inside a main process. This console will be work for main process, and this console is work for the render. So now we are getting the data in main process. So now how we can just send the data from main to render? That means the vice versa of that we actually did. So for that, just use here event dot reply, and we can send some data with a message, right? So let's say my message is reply, sorry, my event is reply, and my message is, let's say, thank you for data or something, right? And now how we can just accept it? For that, let's just come back in the your render process and write here IPC dot on. Just write here reply, which is we are sending the event from main process, and again it have the it have the second parameter as a function event and data. And let's just make it a console.log or console.won and just simply put here data. Now let's restart our Electron application, and now you will find that we are okay. So I think I just missed something, which is arrow function, right? So now let me just click on this share data function. We just send the data from render to main process, and main process just send back data from main process to render, and here we are just getting the thank you for data, right? So this is about that how we can get the data. If you still have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye bye, take care.